Well, hey paisanos, welcome to the Super JDM Super Show. I'm John from JDM EXPO, and we've got a super delivery happening today. We've got this good old EG6, you guys might remember. I'll try to put a link in the description for this car so you can see the old video. Definitely super clean, super awesome, and when that VTEC kicks in, you know, it's all the good stuff happens. So this one we're bringing her to the port today. And me, your social distancing expert, I'll be having my mask, I'll be heading over into the office, getting the paperwork done. We'll be sending her off to her new home. So good old roll-on, roll-off shipping should be nice and easy. So yeah, I like them Steelies though, pretty nice. So yeah guys, let's just bring her on home. Well, there we have it folks, just stopped by the officer, got some of the paperwork ready here, and yeah, overall pretty smooth, no issues there, and yeah, there we go. I'm gonna just put this on the dash here and get her ready to go. So they all have all the information ready, they're gonna be just processing that. Just put this on the dash there, boom, there we go. So she's good to go. All right, so if you guys have any questions about the process or about this car, and if you're looking for one to get yourself, you know, just like another EG6, clean ones are a little harder to find, but we can definitely find them just like this one. So just hit up our sales team info at jdm-expo.com. You know, just any questions that you have, pass them their way. And also you can hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. All of that will go to our sales team. They'll be able to get to you in about 24 hours or so. And yeah, they got you covered. So as always guys, thanks for stopping by. Stay safe wherever you are, and as things try to get a little bit back to normal, you know, you guys just take care of yourselves, all right, and keep the JDM dreams alive. And bon voyage to this one. She's heading off to her new home, so take care guys. We'll see you in the next one.